subscribe my channels. So today's video we're going to be making pancakes. So the ingredients are eggs, milk, salt, oil, baking powder, sugar and flour. And we also need a bowl. So let's go and put the egg on the big bowl. And then we're going to mix it. It's going to be a bit tricky because the eggs are a bit hard. We're done mixing. Now we're going to put the oil on the eggs. So now I'm going to put milk. And now I'm going to stir again. Let's put the salt first. Now the baking powder. And now the sugar. And now I'm going to stir. So you could see all the meat parts in with lots of dots on. And finally, we're going to go and put the flour in. And now I'm going to mix very well. Sometimes it gets a bit messy around. Mix it until it's smooth. Look, it's already smooth. So now I'm going to put the butter on the pan. Look, it's already hot. So now we're going to put it. Look, it's finally, so now we're gonna wait until it dries and dots like will come out. Look at it, guys, the spots are there and the dots here are making it like holes, little holes in it. Now we're going to flip the pancake and here we go. So this is how the pancake is. Doesn't it look great and yummy? Guys, look at it. It's ready. Now we're going to decorate it. I'm going to put the chocolate syrup on the pancake. we are gonna put the sprinkles on the pancake. We're gonna eat the pancake now. It's yummy, guys. It tastes so good with the sprinkles and the chocolate syrup. Thanks for watching my video. You could eat the pancake while breakfast time.